Student, our next chapter is chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. So let us cover introduction part. What is equation, what is linear equation, what is linear equation in one variable, and what is linear equation in two variables. So let's revise. Equation: a similar mathematical statement is known as equation. Like here we have ax plus b equals to 0, that is ax plus b. This is an algebraic expression, and while correlating with any quantity, suppose we are correlating with the 0, so it become a equation. How many variable? If a and b are belongs to real number, then we have only x is a variable, so this is a linear equation in one variable. Why this is a linear equation? Because in this equation, highest exponent of the variable we have 1, so this is a linear equation in linear equation. And how many variable used in this equation? Only x. This expression in terms of x, so this is a linear expression in one variable. For example, 2x plus 3 equals to 0, and we can take another example, 5x minus 3 equals to 6. This is also a example of linear equation in one variable. Okay, so graph of linear equation in one variable and its property, addition, subtraction, whatever you have seen previous class. Now we have to learn linear equation in two variables. Suppose equation is clear, we have a similar mathematical statement in form of two variable, like a 2x plus 3y plus 8 equals to 0. Here this is a equation. Now highest exponent of these variable is 1 1, so this is a linear equation. And in this equation we are using two variable, x and y are the variable, so this is a linear equation in two variable. The linear equation in two variable. So we are going to learn about linear equation in two variable. Now pair of linear equation. Suppose we have two equation at a time, like 3x plus 2y equals to minus 6, x minus y equals to 2. So here how many equation? We have a two equation, that is in a pair. So pair of linear equation in two variable, because in some methods, some algebraic methods, we require two equation for the solution. So this is our topic. We are going to learn pair of linear equation in two variable. It is quite clear. Now how many solution? In linear equation one variable we are getting one solution while solving this equation. So we can solve 5x equals to 3, this 6, and while transposing this 3 become plus 3, 5x equals to 9, so x equals to 9 upon 5. This is the solution of a linear equation in one variable for this example. So we are getting only one solution. Here we will get two solution, as a for x and second for the y. Once we have linear equation in two variable, only one equation, so we can see like 3x plus 2y equals to minus 6. Suppose we have only one equation like this, so how we can get the solution, different solution of this equation, and the graphical representation we will see in the next video.